Now, after Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy was attacked, TDP has now made another big claim. TDP says that stones were pelted on TDP chief Chandrababu Naidu in Gajuwaka. In fact, following this, the YSRCP has condemned the attack. While writing on the X platform, YSRCP has requested a probe in the matter and requested Election Commission of India to intervene and hold an inquiry into this. Remember, a little earlier, this basically follows on the heels of the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Jagan Mohan Reddy himself being pelted at while he was en route in Vijayawada campaigning and waving at the crowds. Those are visuals you see on your screens there. While Jagan Mohan Reddy was hit with a stone and he hurt his left eye. In fact, after he suffered that small cut on the left side of his temple, the eyebrow, he was given first aid. He carried on with his journey. And he, at that point, his supporters had also alleged that it was the TDP cadre and supporters who had attacked the YSRCP chief. Now, following this incident, Chandrababu Naidu had also condemned it, saying a proper thorough probe should be initiated. TDP chief demanding punishment to those who are behind the attack.
నిన్న కరెంట్ ఆఫ్ చేసిన వాళ్ళ పైన ముఖ్యమంత్రి పైన గులకరాయి వేసిన వాళ్ళ పైన ఎందుకు యాక్షన్ తీసుకోలేదు? ఎవడేశాడు ఇది? చెప్పాలి కదా మీరు. 24 గంటలైంది. డిపార్ట్మెంట్ ఏం చేశారని అడుగుతున్నా. ఎక్కడున్నారని అడుగుతున్నా. సిఎస్ కు బాధ్యత లేదా? డీజీపీకి బాధ్యత లేదా? ఇంటెలిజెన్స్ కు బాధ్యత లేదా? నా మీద దాడి చేపిస్తూ పైశాచిక ఆనందాన్ని పొందుతారా?